Finally tonight, NASA, best known for putting man on the moon and sending robots to Mars.
In this week's Skywatch 16, Newswatch 16's John Hickey learned about a NASA-based projects that are focused on life on Earth.
We hope you enjoy your night. We'll see you later on right back here at 10 and 11.
NASA sent a team of astronauts to the International Space Station last Friday.
The astronauts on board the space station are kept very, very busy. They have a full schedule of science experiments that they help operate up in space.
Which is probably what you'd expect to be happening, but what you might not expect.
When you're spotting the station, they're spotting you and measuring things that are going on in your neighborhood. NASA has a whole suite of instruments on the space station that are pointed back at Earth and taking measurements for things like carbon sinks and sources, the temperature of plants and water usage of plants around the world.
I had an online chat with Dennis Felixson. He's a research scientist for NASA. His research is focused on the shrinking Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets using satellite data.
The idea is to measure the changing mass of the Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets over time.
One of the most useful tools at his disposal is the Land Remote Sensing Satellite System, or Landsat.
Its highest use is in agriculture, but what's it measuring? What is Landsat? What's it doing?
Landsat takes images of the Earth. So to the user, to the end user, it looks like photos. But in those photos, there's a lot of extra kind of digital information contained in there.
Dennis tells me that Landsat is instrumental in measuring things like deforestation and urbanization.
It's really that long record, that 50-year record that lets us see all these changes through the decades. It's an amazing program.
Landsat 9 is scheduled to launch in September. In combination with Landsat 8, scientists will now have a view of critical agricultural information every 8 days. With this week's Skywatch 16, John Hickey, Newswatch 16.